Welcome everyone. Our lesson today is about equations with no solution or infinity solution. Okay? So how we can find an equation has no solution at all? Actually, after we solve the equation, if we find relation like this relation, 1 equal 12, so they are not equal. So there is no solution. 0 equal 5, there is not equal. So there is no solution. So different number are equal, so you will see that we have no solution. We will see now, by the way. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay? Okay, and what about infinity? Infinity, if you found number in this way, 0 equals 0. 2 equal number without variable. As you see here, there is no variable. After we solve both the equation, you will not find any variable. Even so, if it has from the beginning a variable, so you will not find it. Or you can find 6 equals 6, 5 equals 5, anything equal are equal. So you can call it infinite number of solutions. How? Okay, let's take some example to know how we can find no solution. So an example of finding no solution. Actually, he asks me in this way. Will ask me, how many solutions does the equation, how many solution does the equation the following equation, which is 4x plus 8 equals 0.1x plus 3 plus 3.9x half. Okay, this is a question. He will ask me how many solutions does the equation, this equation, okay, have. Okay. Okay, let's solve this equation. As our ordinary way, we will collect like terms in each time. So in the left hand side we have 4x plus 8, no like terms, but here I have two like terms. After we add them, okay, 3.9 plus 0.1 will be equal 4x plus 3. Take care. I have the same x here, 4x and 4x. Same sign, positive sign, positive sign. So you can subtract x from both sides, subtract 4x, subtract 4x, okay? So 4x minus 4x, 0. So 0 plus 8, I have 8 now, equal. 4x minus x, 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Does 8 equal 3? Actually, no. You can't find x equals 3, 8 equals 3. So it's an example of equation which has no solution. Okay? This is the first example about that you don't have solution for this. What about an example of how many infinite number of solution? Okay, example 2. How many solution to for the equation 3x plus 15 equals 2x plus 10 plus x plus 5. How many solutions does this equation has? Let's solve it, okay? Let's collect like terms. Right hand side, left hand side is as it is, 3x plus 15, no like term. But here I have like terms, 2x, x, and 5, and 10, okay? So 2x plus x is 3x, okay? And 10 plus 5 is 15. As you see, by subtracting negative 3 from both sides, negative 3. Why I do that? Because I see the same number. Same number here. Positive 3x, positive 3x. Yes? So I will subtract negative 3x from both sides, negative 3x. It will give me 0. It will give me 0. 0 plus 15 is 15. Equal 0 plus 15 is 15. So 15 equal 15 means that I have infinite number of solutions. This is what we described before in the beginning of the lesson. So I have infinite number of solution. Okay. Okay, let's take more example to know which one is infinite and which one is not. Okay? Okay. Explain how many solutions for the following equation. How many solutions? Sorry. Solution for the equation 7x plus 3x minus 8 equal to 5x minus 4. Okay. Let's solve this equation. Now, the left hand side, I have like terms here, I have to add them, and the right hand side I have to multiply, distribution, use the distributive property to multiply. Now, collect like terms, 7 plus 3 is 10, x minus 8 equals 2 multiply 5 is 10x, 2 multiply negative 4, positive negative is negative, 2 times 4 is 8, okay? Okay, can you see something? Same 10x, yeah. Same 10x. So what about delete negative 10x from left hand side, negative 10x from right hand side? Okay, it will give me 0. It will give me 0. Okay, negative here I'll find negative 8 equals negative 8. Same number in both sides, so I have infinite number of solutions. Okay, it's an example of how we can solve something like this. I have another example. Actually, it's very intelligent one. We want to think about it. Okay, we want to think about how to solve a question in this way. Actually, this example asks me, write by yourself. Okay, write one equation. Right, one equation, okay, that has one solution, that has one solution, okay, has what? One solution, okay, make it like this. And another one that has no solution, and another one which has infinite number of solutions. How can I write it from my mind? Actually, take care about it. If you want one solution, we'll start from the right hand side. If you want only one solution, you can write it in this way. Just put x in one side. Try, think like this. I want x only in one side, 3. x plus 5 equal 20. Okay, that's it. How to know that it's a, because I only has x in one side, so I must have one solution. Don't put x in both sides. In this case, don't put x in both sides. So let's solve it and try if we are right or not. Okay, 3x will send 5 by negative, so 20 minus 5, so 3x equal 15. Send 3 by divided, so x equal 15 divided 3 is 5. Yes, one solution. Yes, that's right. I already do it from my mind. Just put x in one side. What about no solution and the infinite number of solution? Actually, you must know the rule. In infinite number of solution, I have find two equal numbers, 0 equals 0, 5 equals 5, and so on. And for a number of solution, no solution, you have to find a different number. So 1 does not equal to 5, 0 does not equal to 10, something like this. If you can find it. But we know that I must have, on both sides of the equation, must have x. So let's start with the infinite one. So I can write here 5x plus 2 equals, look, to the other hand side, I must find both 5x2. So I can write it as 3x plus 2x plus 2. Yes? Okay. Let's solve it and see. So this is an example of infinite number of solution. So I have 5x plus 2 equals 3x plus 2x equal 5x plus 2. So I have 5x here and 5x here. So by subtract 5x and subtract 5x, you will find 0, 0, and the left here is 2 equal 2. Yes, 2 equal 2, which is the same number, so it's infinite number of solutions. This is an example from our mind. Let's do the other next side time. Also, I must have the same value of x in both sides. So if I start with x plus 5 equal x minus 2. I have the same x. Yes, x here, x here. Subtract x from both sides, negative x, negative, minus x, 0, 0. Now I have 5 equal negative 2. Is that true? No. So there is no solution at all. Okay, so from the beginning, when I ask you about an equation, to put the kind of this, or the type of this equation, you have to think, I must have x in one side, so it's one solution. If I have 2x on both sides, the same amount, I must think about no solution or infinite number of solution. If I solve it and found that both sides are equal the same number, okay, like here, it's infinite number of solution. If different numbers, it will be no solution at all. And that's it for today. Thank you for listening. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.